Hello everyone. So for today's game development session, we're going to be adding some sound and revamping the UI of the inventory. So last time I didn't actually speed up the footstep sounds when the player is moving. So I did it this time. Also, I fixed some stuff with the UI and added some cool typing effects when you open the inventory. And I always like feedback noises in video games, and they're very satisfying. So I added a lot of them with the inventory. So it's nice. Stay tuned for more in the future.